hand gestures are and their importance in Bharatanatyam. Basically, hand gestures are the actions that we do through our hands to express our emotions. In the same way, hand gestures used in Bharatanatyam are an important tool of communication between the dancer and the audience. That is, it is her way of expressing her emotions. According to the Natya Shastra, there are 28 Asamyuta Hastas, that is, the single hand gestures, and 23 double hand gestures, that is, the Samyukta Hastas. In this video, we are going to cover the Asamyukta Hastas with their meanings. Patak, Tripatak, Ardhapatak, Kartari, Mayur, Ardhachandra, Aral, Shukatund, Mushti, Shikhara, Kapitha, Katakamukha. Now in Katakamukha we have three variations. The first one is this. The second one, the hands go like this, and the third one, the fingers go this way. So the first Katakamukham is this way. The second one, the fingers go this way, and in the third one, the fingers form this mudra. This is the Katakamukham. Suchi, Chandrakala, Padmakosh, Sarpashish, Mrigashish, Simhamukha, Kangula, Alapadma, Chatura, Bhramara, Hamsasya, Hamsapaksha, Samdamsh, Mukul, Tamrachud, Trishud. In this way, we have 28 Asamyukta Hastas. Namaskaram.